Had to weld up the door frame. It was broken and twisted to get it to latch. Just took a little welding and some pulling. Also, the window was popped out, so we had to put the seal back in, and the door wasn't quite straight still, so we had to shim the plastic part with washers to get it so the window would seat back in there. After this video right here, we used a little bit of grease, and I just took a smaller putty knife, plastic, and ran it around the seal, and it popped right in. So, had a hub problem with one of the Kubota RTVs. It had completely wore through the splines on the hub. These ones still look pretty decent. I think they're savable, so, and all the bearings are still good and all that's tight. So had to pull the cotter pin out of here and then just pull the nut off. It was just this basically big machine washer and a lock nut. So gonna throw it back together. Not as simple as I thought. Gonna have to grab our handy dandy file, maybe even the little guy, file out some splines here. After much thought and consideration, I thought the Dremel would be quicker. Alright, now we can install the tire back on. And a little dust deal. Okay. Sweet. Well, just got the new tires for the Kubota 1000. Came in 4 boxes. Got a really good deal on 4 tires. It was $270 shipped to my door. But you can see it needed them pretty bad. So hopefully they're not so cheap they don't hold air, but yeah, pretty excited. Well, had them all mounted up at Schwab's. Well, go put them on and see what they look like. Got the new tires on the Kubota 1100. Pretty pleased with them. Like I said, I got them off of Amazon. They're kind of a weird off-brand, but it was, I think, $270 for all 4, and they're a 25. It's a 25, 10, 12. So yeah, pretty excited. They're pretty beefy, and we'll see how long they last. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more farming videos, hit the subscribe.